Alright. So first we're gonna try the burrito. We're gonna try the blazing burrito. Let me see if they can see this. I hope they can see the sign, that's the whole reason. Yeah. This looks pretty good, huh? Got mac and cheese, mild hot chicken, and French fries. So look, we got the blazing sauce. Right here. Kind of like a tangy sauce. There you go. That's more than a 10 right there. That's more than a 10. I'll try with the sauce. I had to put that down real quick. Yeah, but it's a hidden gem right here. Now you come check it out if you want this type of burrito. Tell me what you think in the comments. Hold on. Let me show y'all the mac and cheese too. I ain't done yet. Alright, so now we're trying the mild mac and cheese, blazing mac and cheese. Look at that little pickles and all. I don't really like pickles, but I'm gonna try it with it. Mac and cheese. Let's see what this hitting for. Let's see how that's going. See how this tastes. God damn. Yeah. It's hitting just like the burrito. Just less calories. Yeah. Not hot, not nothing. It's a whole lot of flavor. So I wasn't supposed to take one bite of everything, but it's so far I might take a couple more bites off camera though. If y'all like what y'all see, come try it. Subscribe to my channel for some more. Hey, you like it like that. Like a good dog?